Hi, I'm Michael Burton with michaelburtonfilms.org, located in Salt Lake City, Utah. We're here talking about Internet Essentials. I'm going to show you right now how to buy airline tickets online. Alright, there's a couple of ways to buy airline tickets online. First, let's start by bringing up our internet. Once we're on the internet, we're going to go ahead and go to Google. We use Google a lot for our search engine. You can use Yahoo, MSN, any other search engine that you prefer. We're going to use Google. The best way to search, I think, the easiest, quickest way is to search for exactly what you're looking for. Airline tickets. Once you hit enter, it'll bring up a number of websites from Expedia.com, Orbitz, cheaptickets.com, TravelAOL.com, etc., etc., etc. All these websites, when you go to them, will give you options to buy tickets at a discounted price. They'll even let you set up packages so where you can buy tickets, hotel, and car rental together and get a cheaper deal, usually cheaper than going through the airline. That is your other option to buy an airline ticket online, is to go to an airline, which I believe, for example, let's try Delta.com for Delta, or their Southwest or American Airlines, stuff like that. Here's the Delta website, and on this website you can actually make your reservations, purchase your ticket. They'll print you an e-ticket, and then you can take that e-ticket in to the airport with you when you go to get on your flight. And the reason why that's good is because it actually saves time. You don't have to wait in line at the counter to purchase a ticket. You can go right up to the e-ticket kiosk, scan your ticket barcode, and it'll instantly bring up your information and print you out your boarding pass, and it can get you on the flight a lot quicker as opposed to waiting in line. That's the way to go if you want to purchase directly from the airline. Now, the fees, I think, are going to be a little bit higher. Sometimes they do have deals, sometimes they don't. If you have a coupon or anything, or a coupon code, this would be the place that you would want to use it. Again, if you want to go to one of these other websites like Expedia or Orbitz.com, they will be able to offer you better deals, and again, package dealing with airline, car rental, and hotel, and you'll get a better deal altogether.